Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button below and press on the bell icon to notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. So my name is Justina, my channel's name is Simply Natural, and up in here we do mukbang, food recipe, chit-chat vlog, and natural hair videos. So guys, you are highly welcome to today's recipe. Yeah, so we are going to be making shawarma, Nigerian shawarma. Here we call it chicken wrap, whatever you put inside a wrap and wrap it up is a wrap. So it doesn't matter what is inside a wrap. If it's chicken wrap, it's chicken wrap. If it's something wrap, it's just wrap or something, or vegetarian wrap, whatever. So it is a wrap. This will be one of my favorite easy lunch recipe because it's something that you can whip up, quickly, wrap it up, and here you are enjoying a good, delicious lunch. So that being said, let me take you guys over there to introduce you guys to our ingredients for today. So come on on board. Come on on board. Come on on board. Come on on board. Yeah. So guys, this is our ingredients for today. So for this wrap, I am going to be using tiny cocktail sausages. This for me kind of adds a little bit kick to the wrap. And I am going to be using chicken thigh. You can use chicken breast, chicken leg, whatever part of chicken that you love to use. And for me, I find chicken breast very dry sometimes. It's not really my cup of tea. And I am going to be using spring onions and onions. I'm going to be using this red pepper. I'm going to be using this wrap. This is just a simple wrap. I bought this one in Don Store. You can get your one from Tesco, Aldi, Lidl, whatever. And sometimes people like to use brown wrap, like whole wheat wrap, whatever, the healthy version of it. Sometimes I use it for myself alone. The kids will not take it. But and then I have seen vegan wrap as well, and so on and so forth. There's so many wrap out there, just anyone that is your choice. I'm going to be using this one. It's just a plain wrap anyway. I'm going to be adding cheese, and for the sauce I am going to be using mayonnaise, sweet chili sauce, and ketchup. And for the seasoning, I'll be using paprika, ginger, and garlic. I'll be using salt. I'll be using Maggi. I'll be using a little bit of my jollof chicken. I always say that this is more of a chicken seasoning. And I'll be using a little bit of oil. So guys, that is our ingredients. Let's get into preparing this stuff. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do is cut my chicken. I have already cleaned this chicken earlier on, so I am going to cut the chicken. So guys, I am done cutting the chicken. This is the actual meat that came out from the chicken. That is just a fat that I'm going to throw away. This one is the skin. I am going to fry it together with the meat. I like the flavor of the skin. And also this one, Those ones are the bone, guys. I love bone, so I'm not throwing this away. So I'll fry everything together, but the only one that is going inside the wrap will be the, you know, the good meat. So I will put all my chicken stuff in here, and then I'll start I'll go wash my hand and start adding the seasoning. So guys, after washing my hand, we're going to start adding. So this is ginger and garlic. We're going to add paprika, a little bit of the jollof chicken. We're going to add 1 Maggi, and we're going to add salt. So now we mix it up. So after mixing it, I'm going to set it aside. Okay guys, the next thing will be cutting our sausages. So I'm going to try and cut the sausages a bit smaller, like that. Or even half. Yeah, I think half will do as well. So we are done slicing our sausages. It is time to move on to the stove. So guys, the stove is already on. I am going to add a tiny bit of oil, and I am going to add our sausages, and we are going to fry. I will lower the heat because I don't want it to burn, so I'll leave the heat on medium. So we are going to fry the sausages until everything has browned. So guys, it is time to take out our sausage. So I have fried them until they are done and brown and golden looking. So I'm going to scoop it up and put it in here. I am going to fry my chicken with the same oil. All this thing can be put inside the oven if you're just, you know, looking to be healthy and you don't want to fry any of them. They can be easily be put inside the oven. Like I said, I am cooking the bone as well because I love bone. So I am going to turn it. And this chicken, I left it to marinate for 20 minutes. If you have enough time, you can leave it longer, but yes, I left it for 20 minutes. Yeah, so basically the same process with the sausage. I am going to fry them until they are done. I will cover the chicken and just give it a space to cook thoroughly. It's not on high heat, it's on low heat. So while the chicken is cooking, I am going to slice my onions and my spring onions. So that is it. It is washed. I'm going to dry it. So I'm going to slice it. If you don't like spring onions or onions, you can use celery and other vegetable, baby spinach, but for me, I love anything that has to do with onions, so that is why I'm using spring onions and onions. So I'll take out 2 of the cheese. and I'll kind of slice them like this. And this is optional. If you don't like cheese, then you don't have to take the cheese. We are going to check on our chicken and make sure that it is cooking good. Oh yes, it is steaming beautifully. So we are going to cover and keep cooking. So back here again, we are still cutting all our veg. So I'm going to slice this pepper. This is also optional. If you don't like spice, then take it out of your way. So I'll put that aside as well. So the next thing we're gonna do is to mix our sauce. And the same thing with this sauce, you can choose whatever one you like. So I'm going to add my mayonnaise. I'm going to add ketchup. And I will add my sweet chili sauce. So just choose whatever sauce you like to use, and then I am going to mix it together. So guys, the chicken is done. So I basically cooked it on a low heat. And yes, it is done. We're going to take it out and start making our wrap. So guys, it is time to start building our wrap. So this is the wrap. The first thing I'm gonna do is to rub my sauce. So I'm going to do like that, rub my sauce. Okay, all right, and then I am going to add some onions. Going to add my spring onions. I'm going to add sausage. Then I am going to add the chicken. Okay, I am going to add the cheese. And then the pepper. So we're now going to fold. So you bring this here and you bring that here. You try and fold it like this. Okay, that is it folded. You can fold it anyhow you want to fold it. It's your wrap, make it your way. So that is how I folded it. I am going to do another one for me. So guys, this is the wrap. It is ready. So the only thing now is I'm going to put it inside the oven. Not just necessary to cook it, but just to brown it a bit. If you have electric grill, it's easier to do, but I don't have it, so I usually stick it back inside the oven and it will toast a bit for me. That's all I'm looking for, to toast it, make the wrap a little bit brown. So yeah, let's stick it inside the oven then. So guys, our shawarma chicken wrap is out from the oven and is looking so good. So we're gonna slice it into half. Oh, can you hear that crunchiness? Oh my Lord. Look at the inside, guys. It is looking super pretty. OMG, guys, it is looking super good. I just reduced the light so you can see how good it is. It is looking so good, guys. So yes, this is where this recipe is going to end. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. It is easy and simple to make. It's a very delicious lunch. Like, this is like lunch for school or lunch for college or lunch for go. It is a very, very delicious wrap. So yes, I am done for today, and it is time for lunch. Because it's 19 minutes past 1 now, so I'm starving. I had my porridge around 8:30, so now I'm practically ready for lunch. So yeah, I'm going to sit down and enjoy my wrap. So guys, thank you for coming. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. And yeah, thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye. Mwah.